Hey guys, it's Joanne. Coffee Joe's right there. But here's a little room tour. We have a sea terrace. Okay, so basically it's like your typical cabin. Oh, look, you can actually get an extra bunk that would come down from the top. I didn't even see that.
Is that what that is?
Yes. So when we walk in, this is your closet. This is your closet. We have the do not disturb and please make up the room light. Plenty of cabin storage. Look, there's our life preservers. Safe. Lots of drawers. Suitcases. Throw them under the bed. That way it gives you so much more room for all your shoes and such. That's what I love. We have a little fridge stuff. Look at little toys that you could actually take with for a price. I brought some hooks to hang out. I didn't even see those hooks. Oh my God. Cute. I like how it's done in here. Now, as one of our gifts, they gave us this. It's like a little towel, but we have two of them. We have a little thing here, platform thing.
That's a big drawer.
It is a very big drawer. I think you can actually take the bed and switch it for the daytime so that it's like a lounge area.
You mean spin it?
Like part of the bed can go there and then it's like a lounge.
Oh, that makes more sense. That's
why that's like that. Okay. We also have a virgin blankie. These are our towels for the beach. This is like a little, tray so you can be bougie in the morning. Look, I brought my little animal. Lots of pillows. This is the outside. Look at that deck. Right here is our hammock that we can bring down. We'll be doing that later. I think this is fabulous, don't you? It's actually very roomy.
It seems bigger than MSC.
It's very roomy. I like how it's situated.
MSC was longer, but this is wider.
Yeah, I think
MSC was a longer room.
I feel like there's more space.
I agree.
Like you could put stuff here.
If you had, it's fantastic.
This is where all of Joe's stuff is.
All my stuff, my suitcase fits in that drawer.
Joe's loving that
the
chair.
The chair is better than a couch.
Yeah, I agree. I think the chair is a much better option with the ottoman. Much better.
You remember MSC
I love that they have these.
Massive table thing you pulled out.
Right, the table was in the way.
It's too big. Yeah.
Okay, let's go look in here. Bathroom. We have towels for makeup, regular towels. Now, get this. They actually do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And I love that it's an actual door. It's an actual door. But I think there's plenty of room for everything that you need. Oh my God, this looks nice.